Hello students, I am Professor Shukakde. Today we will see Unit 1 Lecture 4. That is today's topic is methods of testing, that is static testing and dynamic testing, and second quality assurance and quality control. What is the difference between both of these? Learning outcome of this lecture differentiate you will be differentiate between static testing and dynamic testing, and you will be understand what is quality assurance and what is quality control. First of all, we'll see what is quality assurance and quality control. As you know, assurance means while uh, we are developing a software, we are assuring that we product should be good, or it should be developed well, it should be executed well. And quality control means if you have developed a product and after that you are testing and some bugs are there or errors are there, then you are finding that and fixing that errors. That means the quality control. First point, you see, quality assurance include activities that ensure the implementation of process, procedure, and standard in context to verification of development software and intent requirements. What is meaning of quality control? It includes activities that ensure the verification of developed software with respect to documented or not in some cases requirements. We'll see likely what is testing. It includes activities that ensure the identification of bugs, errors, defects in the software. Quality assurance focuses on process, and quality control focuses on actual testing by executing the software, like testing. Next, quality assurance is process oriented and quality control is product oriented. Quality assurance means we have, while developing software, we have to follow one process to assure that the product is developing good or its quality product is developed. And quality control means after development of product, while executing the product, we have to test that software for different testing criteria. Quality control means likewise testing. And quality assurance means it is preventive activity, means we are preventing software from uh, having some errors or bugs. And quality control means it is a corrective. If after development of software we are executing that software for finding bugs, that means quality control. And next, it is subset of software development life cycle or software test life cycle. And quality control is subset of quality assurance, and testing is subset of quality control. Next, we will see static testing. Static means, you know what is meaning of static and what is meaning of dynamic. Static means no need to execute your software, and dynamic means after execution of software. In static testing, testing and identification of defect is carried out without executing the code. This testing is done in verification process. As a verification, you know that there is no any error find out in verification. Just not executed your software, just while developing software we are doing verification. In this testing, dynamic testing, the software code is executed for showing the result of test performed, and dynamic testing is in the validation process, that is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, all other testings. Next, difference between static testing and dynamic testing. Static testing is completed without executing the program, and dynamic testing is completed with the execution of program. This testing is executed in verification stage, this means static testing, and dynamic testing is executed in validation stage. You know that validation can be checked only after execution of the software, that means in dynamic testing. And static testing is executed before the compilation. You no need to execute and no need to compile in static testing. And dynamic testing, you have to compile and execute your code. Next, this testing in static testing prevents the defect, and dynamic testing finds and fixes the defect. The cost of static testing is less, and the cost of dynamic testing is high because we have to find the errors and fix that errors. In static testing, it is done through walkthroughs, inspection, reviews while developing the project or software. And in dynamic testing, it consists of specification based, structure based, experience based, unit testing, integration testing. All other testings are included in this. Once you can decide that static testing is done while developing a software without executing it, and in dynamic testing it is done after whole development of software and with execution of the software. Thank you. For any queries, you can WhatsApp me on my number or call me. Thank you.